We opened yesterday with Mumbai sinking. Today, unfortunately, no different. Mumbai continues to reel under torrential rain. Over 400 flights were delayed. Road and rail services were hit. Even the Mumbai High Court, the Bombay High Court, closed early today. The next 48 hours are said to be absolutely crucial, according to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, as air, road, rail, all the services have been badly hit. The question is, why has Mumbai been witnessing such intense rain over the last 3 days? Well, we looked into some research and this is what we found. Just in the past 3 days, Mumbai has received rainfall that it should have for the entire month. Now, unlike standard monsoon showers, which are often intermittent, the continuous rainfall is due to cloud stationary nature. In seasonal terms, now August is Mumbai's second wettest month, with rainfall averaging around 560 to 620 mm. Frequent thunder showers are active. This is the wettest phase. However, this spell generally happens intermittently, which has not been the case. Extensive rainfall started on the 15th of August and it hasn't stopped. In fact, there is said to be no respite at least till the 20th. So far, in more than 80 hours, the city has accumulated 550 mm of rain, which is equivalent to nearly a full month's rainfall. Look what that rainfall actually brought the city down to.
The unending flood woes of Singh City, Mumbai. Second day of mega deluge in Maximum City. India's financial capital brought to its knees yet again. The highest tax-paying city struggling. Unable to distinguish between sewage and rainwater as key roads and highways are submerged. And it's not just the roads. The Methi River is swelling dangerously.
This Methi River that 20 years ago had swelled up and created havoc is also on a high. It's flowing above the normal level that it generally does. And in fact, right now it's of course below the red sign. But then, the heavy rain and the heavy wind that one can see right here, that's something that has created